What's up, YouTube and everybody else out there? Man, thank you for tuning in today with William Carter. Man, hold up. We in this thing. Hey, man. Anyways, I wanted to tell y'all about this wonderful passport profit system. Man, I tell you something. My bad. Profit passport. I'm saying it wrong. Sorry about that. Anyways, my boy David Deagle, he the one that made this created this program and everything for everybody to start winning in 2020. He does all the work while you get 100% commissions paid to you via PayPal, Cash App, Stripe. I think you can get paid through Bitcoins too. And this is a crazy, crazy system, man. It got over 7 income streams in this one program. Over 7 income streams. Crazy. Crazy. Don't get no better than that, man. Big Bitcoin commissions, email traffic commissions, ringless voicemail traffic commissions. Even got a traffic source you can click right here to take you to a traffic source. What I love about this, it has pre-written email ad copies that you can send to all your leads, your email list. That got all the subject lines. Just copy and paste. Copy it. All you gotta do is just copy it. Boom. Then paste that bad boy. Yeah, just copy it. Then and then go paste it wherever you doing your ad at. Craigslist. It's a lot of traffic sources out there. Got the email body right here. Put your link in right here, delete all that, put your link in, delete all that, put your link in. Your referral list is where you get to see everybody in right here. Gives you the date, the time they came in, and the email address. Man, hold up. I gotta drive me some more traffic later today. Already done a Craigslist ad early this morning. I knocked that out already. But man, this program right here is blowing up big time in 2020 right now. As of I speak right now, it's blowing up. It's time to hop on board. Stop playing around, y'all. Come on, y'all got to get with it. Get to it. But what I'm going to do for y'all, I'm going to put a link in the description below